I think so.
You ready for some real football?
Yeah. Like some Canadian Football League or something?
Nah, it's college football.
Make sure it's good. Okay, I think that should be good. That should be good.
Yes. Gotta make sure it doesn't fall over.
Is it recording?
Yeah, it's recording.
Alright.
Let me show you.
Alright.
Yeah, it's recording. It's good.
We got a heated rivalry here, me versus Lyle. Some Yacht dice.
What channel is that still on?
Yes. Let me turn this up.
Yes. I go for the yacht. Took it right away. All sixes. Oh my gosh.
I might get a yacht.
No. Yes. No. Yes.
I got yacht. Oh, I should have kept the 3. Alright. I'm actually going to put this in my 6s because that helps get a better chance of bonus.
Yeah.
You're not with a good start. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yes.
That's what I would have done.
Give me 4. I got a 6.
Small straight.
Good. Take it.
Oh, do that.
You get your 2s here?
I'm going to go for my 2s.
Yeah.
Like, even if I just have 3 2s, I still get 2s.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? 3 2s.
Full house. I don't know if you're
Horrible.
shooting for the full house. Don't care
Horrible
for the
full house.
Oh, Jesus. Yeah. They also go for ones, aces.
Still get 2s.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna do my. Yeah, it's still 3 2s.
Do what you want.
Oh, okay.
Oh, wow.
You can work with this.
3, 4, 5, 6. Would that be
Oh.
what?
That could have been your small straight. That would have been a good small straight.
I'm gonna go for my 5s.
Loxley might say we might start a true freshman quarterback.
What is it?
Malik Washington.
12, 6.
He's a 4-star.
Really?
Yeah.
Watch Scott Fisher make it really better, but scary good kid. Who is this guy? Yeah.
Ooh, what are you gonna do here?
I'm going my 5s.
Yeah, for bonus.
Yeah.
Okay, hey, yep. Got dice. Up on my
Yeah,
blue.
nice. Oh, wow.
I hit of we'll do small straight.
Yeah. Hello. Hey?
I love it. You know when you snap, it's your finger hitting your palm.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think you know that.
That's crazy. 1, 3, 4, 5. That's gonna go. 3, 4. Let's give my 1s. Quite safe.
Yeah, I'm probably go for 1s.
Give me 1s here. Okay, fine. So look at my 1s and okay, I got my 1.
Try to do 1s. Still good 1s. Nah. I hated that guy, the Northwestern quarterback. He's like so annoying, like Jack Louse or whatever. Like his first ever start, he did like crazy.
Who won this game?
Northwestern. 43 to 20.
What?
43 to 20. Yeah, that's why I put it on. That's what I have to deal with every time I'm walking around. What?
Still up 70 to 20.
You go. My sixes.
We just don't really expect them to get upset. Like,
Yeah.
it's like Ohio State losing 49 to 20 to Purdue.
I don't know, this is probably worse. Oh! Pretty lucky. That was actually really risky going for the 4 6s. The risk paid off, guys. Risk paid off. What?
Yeah. What's that really?
What?
Should I go for the? I'll go for it.
Large straight?
Yeah.
Actually 5.
Yep.
Whoa! Yeah.
Not the best I'm trying to get, but.
Getting scared. Boom.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. I'm getting scared. I already have above 100. This is crazy. What a game of Yacht I'm having right now. I'm having like a perfect Yacht game. Is that not a full house? Oh no, you need the 1 would have to be able to one.
With my force.
Another 4?
Okay.
Pretty good roll.
Whatever.
Yeah, just put that on your 4s.
Really hurts. Is this one of those like mail huddle things? Or just like the Big Ten? Oh, okay, Big Ten. Big Ten channel. I'm gonna put this game. I'm having like a close game.
It's horrible. It's gonna be one of the worst games.
Oh my gosh, Ohio State versus Illinois in like 2011.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. We went 1 of 4 passing.
Really?
And won by 10 points.
Oh my god.
What was that season? We went like 6 and 7. The cursed season. Yeah, you gotta go to. I want to just go for aces. I do aces here. You don't get anything, but.
Give me a Yacht.
Really?
I'm probably not gonna get a Yacht.
Okay.
But then I did that, and then you got the Yacht.
I do remember getting the oh, I can't get my 5s. Oh.
It's bad roll.
Yeah. I like juices.
I don't know why they're called deuces on this.
Yeah.
Look at this. Good.
Not very good.
Bad roll.
It's horrible. I need 14 more.
Not bad.
Look at my bonus. Oh, no, 24 more.
Ooh.
Not very good.
I'll just try to go for my 4s. No, wait. No, I'm going for my 1s because it's safer. Oh my god.
Okay.
Oh, my 5s?
That's good, Dad.
Oh my god. I thought that was another 2. I thought I got 4 2s.
It's actually not very good.
Yeah.
I'll go for my 3s, I guess.
Choose go for your Yacht.
No. Okay.
It's a close game of Yacht.
Okay.
Pretty good.
I'm not going for my 4 of a kind. Definitely for my 3s. Okay, I only need 2 6s to get my bonus. We're pretty sad.
Oh,
Go for full house.
I might have to. Yeah, I'm going for my 1.
You get full house by lose.
I'm going for my 1. Yacht. If I get a Yacht.
Doesn't fall down there. Make sure it's still recording.
Yeah, okay, it is. You can see everything too.
Oh, what was that call?
Almost 10 minutes in.
Did you hear the announcer?
I think it was like a thing or something. No.
Sounded like the announcer for a second.
Oh. Oh, it's in my full house.
That's a horrible roll.
Oh my god.
I don't know if you can recover from this.
I give for my 4 of a kind. Horrible. Oh. This is horrible. This is so bad. Okay. At least I got something. That's not could have been worse.
Yeah. Whoa. Whoa. I wish I'd
Ones!
go for my full house.
Once. Listen to 6. I have to get 2 6s. I don't know. Salvage it a little bit.
Yeah, I think I'd go for the 6 here and try to get a high choice.
Okay.
Boom.
Oh, I forgot about the choice. I would discard all those.
Yeah.
Because all of them are in the lower half.
Okay. This is a good choice. This is a good choice. That's a pretty good choice. Pretty happy with that.
Okay. Hello. The heck?
Look at that score.
The heck? I'm going my choice. I'm taking 4 of them out of my choice.
That's my
I
choice.
can do better than 1 and 3. 3.
3-3.
Okay.
Good choice.
Same choice as yours, actually.
That is creepy. You're
That's
Still
a
got your-
spooky.
Still got your yacht. Go for my 4s.
Hey, hey, hey.
I'm gonna go for it.
I'm gonna go for it. Ah! First. Easily get your bonus. Look at that. Yeah. Well, either way, if you go for that, the 3s, you still have to get
Yeah, 3 and
3 4s. But if you get 8, then you still have to get 2 each. So.
I'm gonna just put on my 3s.
It's the same freaking.
I just need 3 4s or
We're
more.
both at 51 out of 63 right now.
Weird.
I just want to get another.
You just need 3 6s, right?
I only need 2 6s.
Oh yeah, you do need 2 6s.
So I'm just gonna try to get the 6s right now.
Yeah.
Imagine I don't get another 6.
It's a close game of yacht.
Imagine I don't get another 6.
Oh.
Whoa. Oh.
I'm gonna go big or go home.
Well, yeah, I'm gonna go for the full
I'm
house.
gonna go big.
If I go for full house, I'm still gonna get my 6s either way. And my bonus. 7 as well.
Oh.
Yes!
Might be damn. I don't see him recovering from this. And you still got your yacht. on the
Yacht
table.
and my bonus potentially.
That's a horrible roll.
No.
That's a horrible roll.
Full house.
I think I'm gonna go for the full house.
Yes. Yes.
I did this and I get 2 of the same one. Oh! Full house! The worst full house. I'm gonna have to do it.
The actual worst one.
I think that was my best play there, right? I go for the full house. Because I have to get the bonus. Boom, boom, boom.
Just give me another 6.
Ah, I think you won.
I'm definitely got now.
You win this, right?
Eventually.
You don't have to score.
Jeez.
What a bad game of yacht for me. Should have left my yacht on the table. You know what I'm trying to get here? Horrible. 2 fours!
Nice!
If you get the yacht. You could have. You get like 3 ones in there. Should have the ones. Alright. I challenge you to another game of yacht.
Okay, give me that, nice. Edwards. You scored.
Touchdown again. Okay.
Okay.
Think so.
Oh yeah, almost. That's good.
I gotta lock in. Ooh. Look. We'll go.
What channel is this video gonna go on? I think on my channel. That one was, yeah.
I'm gonna go for this. Good start. Okay, I think I do it on my good choice.
Okay. Good choice that alley.
I also expect to.
You want to make sure it's all good.
One of my deuces.
We're 17 minutes into this video. That's kind of long.
You gotta bring this pizza quality to Marcus
Oh my gosh.
and can play.
Ah!
I think I'll do my deuces here.
This ends really bad.
Oh, I thought that was it. I need.
That was definitely deuces if this ends up winning. I should just get my aces right.
That makes me feel better about my first roll.
4-1.
Ooh,
Oh my gosh. Look at this. I can't get the deuces.
we'll do that.
Yeah.
Okay.
You get 3. 6.
Such a bad start for me. Horrible start for me. Get a yacht. Oh, if you get a yacht.
Oh, I don't know if I should put the towers yacht if I get a yacht. Okay, I'm not gonna get a yacht. I'm not gonna put my 4 of a kind either.
Boom.
Oh, okay. Wow.
Oh, my ace. Alright, we're back in it. That's what I was going for my first 2 rolls. Large start.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Risky.
No, you don't want to look like me.
Oh, okay. I'll take that.
Where do you want to go? Big.
No. More of a conservative player.
Oh!
Conservative. Oh.
I'm gonna go for it.
Go for the big bucks. This game is just like so nice.
Yeah.
That was a little bit of skill, I guess. But not really.
Sucks.
Oh. Let's go to aces.
My actually.
Aces.
My yachts. I don't know how to do it. Hold on, let me think. We got 18, 15, 33. 33 plus 45. We're gonna yachts.
Yeah.
It's unlikely.
I'm keeping that 4 of a kind. That's not good.
Pretty good for a kind.
Or wait, I'd go for my 4s.
Yeah, too. Or go for yachts.
Could be a good yacht. I'm not going. Should I go for my...
You throwing a yacht?
Well, it gives you 50 no matter... Oh, it gives you 50 no matter what?
Yeah.
Oh. So even if I got all 6s, it'd still give me 50?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah. It doesn't matter if you got all 6s versus all 1s?
That's so painful, yeah.
What?
So painful. Whoa! Whoa! Come back!
Gee.
That's like the perfect full house, right?
Yeah.
I with the lead. The tide just turned.
Oh, wait, what? Oh. That.
The tide just turned like crazy.
I'm going for my 4s.
But, yeah. What?
Oh!
Hey. Okay.
This is not going to be good 4s. Oh, I can't do my 3s either. Oh, that's horrible.
Yeah. I need a crazy comeback. I'm gonna go for my 4s. Are you 2, 3, 4, 5? No. I'll just go my 4s. Ooh. 3 4s.
Okay. Ah!
So that's. I thought I got like a large straight.
1, 2, 3, 4. I don't want to go for that. I'm going to go for 5s.
Like conservative. You're playing conservative. I'm playing progressive right now.
This is so bad. Oh my gosh.
This comeback is very crazy. If you lose
My
with
top-
the yachts,
My top is so bad.
if you lose with the yacht,
I know.
I get the bonus.
Yeah.
Small straight.
My top is so bad. I need to get like really good deuces and really good 6s right now. 1, 3. I can't go for my 5 now. I go for my 4 of a kind. No.
Oh, dude.
What if we not get it? Oh my gosh.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I was about to say.
1.
I'll take it.
Good choice, too.
Yeah, I got that bonus. I'll take
I'll probably do any 4.
Yeah.
I got locked in. I'm gonna go for my.
I could do my choice for the 5s one. I don't even think of that.
Look at my
Okay.
ones.
Think about ones. I'm turning 60.
Ones. 4 guys. That's gonna suck.
2.
Did you see that? That's safety? Oh my god. Oh, look how horrible that play is. He like falls over on the handoff.
Really?
She's a safety too. Yes. Maryland!
Alright, 3, 4, 5, 6.
You're gonna go big?
Yeah, go big or home. I'm not getting my choice anyway.
Oh,
I gotta say.
of course. It's a tight game still, because I still got a good chance with my bonus.
I have an okay chance, maybe. I don't know, not really.
I'm gonna do my 5s because I already did my 4s, and it's always I'm gonna go for my 4 of a kind and my 5s. Let 38.
Let
43.
me make sure it's like it screams the gun.
Yeah.
Yeah, just
I put on my 4 of a kind.
okay.
I need the bonus.
Chip train him.
I think
Train
I need like
him!
4 sixes.
What is this? What my deuces?
Bad roll.
Yeah, it's what deuces. I need to get another. Please get more twos. Oh my gosh.
I think I give him a choice.
I didn't think I forgot a choice. It's gonna be the same choice as you. I think it's. I'm going twos. Yeah, I can definitely do a better choice. So I'll go twos because it's the same as yours. And choice is gonna be so bad. Or bonus is gonna be so hard for me to get now.
I have to wait. I can't go for my 4s.
Bonus is gonna be so hard for me to get.
Oh yeah.
Because I need all of them, right? Yeah, I need every single one. I need every 6.
Oh,
Or
look at this.
oh. But if you get 6s, it only counts the 6s, not like the extra dice. Like it's only like 6s and then 5. And 5 doesn't count that 5 does it?
What?
Like,
no,
like,
no.
Okay.
I think I'm gonna be out of my bonus. I'm gonna have to get like a yacht and like 6s if I want.
I'm going, that's my choice right now.
Yeah, I think you're bonus one.
I'll keep it 3. Going big. Oh. Paid the price. Imagine I lose by 1.
That'd be crazy. I'm gonna lose. I have to get like 5 6s if I want to return it.
It's because you put 0 in your yacht and all that.
I didn't have any good choice, so.
Yeah. That's not my full house.
If I get 4 6s, do I still get it?
That's not even my full house.
If I get 4 6s, I still got my bonus.
Okay. That's not even my full house. I'm going for 6s. I don't really care. I need all the 6s now, but.
My last shot. I need 4 6s. Guys, can we do it?
4 6s. I got 6.
One.
Again!
Oh my god. Heart.
Gherkin! Gherkin!
Gherkin.
Oh, I got 3 6s. 3 6s. Turn up the scoop. I'm gonna. Yeah.
I think you're just a yacht player in there. Of course. Of course he got that too.
Rope school. Just because you keep putting zeros on things. It's just
Well,
like,
I had to. I had to go for my bonus. I can't like do like some low on there, you know what I mean?
Oh, alright. Mancala.
Mancala.
Well, it's time for some Mancala.
I think you won last time, right?
Yeah, I won last time on Mancala. Make sure everything's like fine. Yeah, it's good. Nearly half an hour into this video.
It's a good video.
Mancala. Oh, I'm in there, okay.
Got to play.
That's stupid. You forgot to play this game?
I did it first, but I don't remember. I love Mancala tonight. Give myself a bunch of stones. Let's play there. Leah. Edwards.
It's Bill Edwards.
No.
You trust in Wisconsin?
Yeah.
Edwards!
I'm gonna go off against this. Why can't I go up though?
I've been guaranteed to win state next year against Wisconsin.
Yeah.
We're just saying. You know, it's tough to play there, but like, it's a night,
Pretty good, right?
Pretty good.
My God. Am I even scored? Bad game for me so far.
Back in Mancala.
Wait, I can't go up there. Why can't I go up there? I was up there earlier.
You like steal a pouch or something?
Oh yeah. Ah. Oh my God. This game sucks. The worst game on here. Finally. Oh!
Mancala.
Come back! This is why I love Mancala. Do I get a stone here? What? Did you see that? At 9 and like went over that and then put the 1 right there. Yeah. Well, that one was a good one. Yeah, you don't really get a lot of leverage off that. The Mancala. Everybody, I'm real big Bana.
Aaron,
Bana. Bucking up, feel like my name is Bana.
Aaron!
Welcome to Mancala. Everybody knows where everybody's at. Everybody knows where I jump the jams at. Don't know where we're going, but I'm really fat. Really good. Look at my face like Brian's cat. Oh, that's good. Mancala. I'm feeling like a big baller. One baller. Mancala. This is a big baller. Oh, that was a good play from me.
Oh!
I'm feeling like a big baller. This is a big baller. Oh, look at that.
That's really bad.
Everybody says I'm a real big baller. Everybody says my name's Mancala. Mancala. Look at that.
Good.
I'm a real big baller. Everybody says my name's Mancala. Big baller. Shot caller. Everybody says I'm a real Mancala. I got $3, don't know what I'm gonna spend them on. Gems and boxes, don't really know what I'm Amazon. Songs me to Mancala on I can make a song out of that.
Okay.
This says I'm a real big baller. Everybody knows I spent a couple dollars on some gems and some boxes. Don't really know. Just 2 bulls? Sure, I'll give it a try. Don't really know.
You see the ones that weren't in pieces?
I'm a real big baller. Everybody says I'm a big baller. Dude. I mean, the comeback is crazy. The choke is crazy. A real big baller. Everybody says
How do you capture a pocket?
you're a baller.
How do you capture a pocket?
I don't know. You shouldn't let me capture it. Big baller. Everybody says I'm a real big baller. Shot caller. But you should have done the 1 first and then the 3.
Oh, I didn't see that.
The choke is crazy. Like that, say.
Yeah.
Big baller. Shot caller. Oh! Watch this.
How do you capture?
Should have let me capture it.
How do you capture?
How do you capture Mancala? Like you gotta capture it, but you want to capture one line, so.
Why'd you get the
The choke. Alright, one more game of Mancala.
Alright.
We gotta do best effort for each one.
How do you capture?
I don't know. I'll just put random things. Let's be a fair game. Ugh. I'm going for my extra turn right away.
Okay.
Some might say it's a little haste, but.
What haste?
I don't know, everybody says I'm a big bottle.
Might as well.
Okay, a little haste, but.
Hasty play. Oh, a hasty play.
Yeah. Interesting turn. I think I'm gonna do it here. You can't really leverage that as of yet. You can go for your extra turn, but right now you're just glorifying my board right now. In college.
Yeah, whatever you want to say. Fun with the board.
Got so much gems they call me Mr. Monza.
Okay. Wow.
Okay, we're gonna do. Oh!
And then Mancala.
And he goes for the capture! What a genius play! Ah! I had 4 here, is gonna go.
Down on the spots.
Beautiful play. I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna overwhelm you.
So overwhelming.
Look at that. You had 1 here, you could have went for your extra turn, but. Decent play. Overwhelmed. Good bottom. Oh, I didn't even get my 1. That's a really bad play from
I
that.
could do that. 1, 2, 3. Wait. 1, 2, 3. 2 and the 1.
I can see people
Oh,
like.
I'm gonna try to overwhelm me though.
Right here, I'm gonna overwhelm you. That was nice. You gotta admit, that was pretty nice. Still have a bunch of gems on the bottom.
Some gems.
Call me Shakala, don't really know anybody but the colors. What a player, caller. Oh, that was nice, right?
If I had a capture pop up.
You should have captured mine earlier, but I don't know why you avoided that. Not know the rules of Mancala or something?
Guess not, I'm just not.
Your dad never taught you how to play Mancala? It's a blowout. At 5. It's like 25 to 5. And come back. It's like professional college players, they can like calculate it.
If I do 10 here. Oh, like, you know, overwhelm me? Nope, can't overwhelm me. Very good, not getting overwhelmed.
This is a bad game for me.
Come back. Let's take the one. Take the one.
I don't even think I can physically come back from
No,
that.
I can't. He's actually a little bit.
Just playing for pride now.
He's got like double digits.
Yeah. Oh, it sucks! Look at the sad method I have to do with these last 2 gems.
Last guest.
Capture.
Yes. Oh, you can only capture the hands, okay. We're gonna capture her?
Who did this?
Capture.
Let's capture.
Yes!
Yes!
Good
Oh,
sucks!
you got the mini stones.
Alright. Tiebreaker.
Okay.
That was just blowout. First one was a choke. Second one was a blowout. I think if you have like the same amount of gems on the end.
Huh?
I think it's if you have the same amount of gems on the end.
Oh. Okay.
Okay, I could play haste. Last time I played haste, it did not go well. I think I'm gonna do a control setup this time. Just control the flow. I'm gonna go aggro here and play haste. Okay. I'm doing a control setup this time. I don't think aggro is where it's at. Yeah. Here, see, I'm controlling.
Oh, it's captured my pocket.
That's why you want to play control and not aggro.
Sorry. My bad.
Here we go.
What it hurts. Not place.
I think I might actually go here.
I the captain of the pocket.
You can't really leverage this. Yeah.
Yeah, I can
You get your extra turn. But right now, I'm still a lot of gems up on there from that control setup. Was that a mistake?
Wow.
Give me my extra turn. Okay, hold on. Okay, so wait. Okay, I think this should end in the third one? Okay, yeah, I'm fine with that.
No, that's gonna capture, right?
Yeah, you get the capture. That's why I left 2 there.
Yeah. Smart. Playing the capture.
I'm gonna go for my extra turn.
Play the capture. Play the capture extremely well.
Oh, hold up. Watch this. This is big brain. That was big brain play. You'll see what. It will come to bite you soon.
I played a 9.
Oh, okay. That kind of messed up my plan a bit. Oh, hold up. I get the capture.
Oh, the capture.
Nice. Can't let me leverage the capture.
I apologize.
Horrible game of Mancala.
I didn't get the capture? Oh, because I already had one in there.
Yeah.
I don't know the rules. Top not knowing the rules on this.
Horrible. Okay, 9. But I think what I do here is actually... I think I'll just set up my extra turn. Not really affect your board because your board looks very meek. And then what I to do is... I can do... Oh. Let's do here.
That's like a capture.
Yeah.
Man, I'm like...
You still have a chance, I think. If you play the long route.
And I'm struggle bus. How would you capture? You capture that too?
All of mine were there, you would have just captured all of them.
Like nothing you can do. It's just that.
There you go. Oh! What a play!
Captures.
Oh, that was nice.
This is awful. This is so bad.
Oh, I get my capture.
Oh my god.
What a freaking round. And look, I built it up perfectly where you can capture my one either.
Over.
Oh,
Forgot the capture.
you should have moved that one.
I think of the capture.
Triple aggro. I like how we that was like a 6-time playing where we just figured out what the capture meant. Alright.
The video's really long.
Alright, what we figured out, guys? He's a better Yacht player. He's a better Mancala player.
That's how it is sometimes.
What was that?
46 minutes. 46. What's our brain rot we're watching? Bye bye, guys.
Yeah.